So how much money does YouTube pay me as a small YouTube creator? I don't know. Let's find out. Stick around.
What's up, guys? This is 𝗏𝗏𝗥𝗘𝗦, and you have reached the 𝗏𝗏𝗥𝗘𝗏 channel. If you want to learn how to make money online or offline, then you need to be right here. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. I'm also an honorably discharged Air Force veteran. Graduated from Penn State and started a career as a software engineer and leveraged that to build my businesses. If you guys have any questions on how to make money, you're going to find all your answers right here, so stay tuned.
Yo, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to the 𝗏𝗏𝗥𝗘𝗏 channel. I am your host, 𝗏𝗏𝗥𝗘𝗏, aka Rico, and over here we talk all about how to make money online, offline, and everywhere in between. If that sounds good to you, go ahead, please smash that like button for the algorithm. Help me out, get me out there to everybody. Go ahead, subscribe, click that little notification bell for the latest and greatest updates, and then make sure you check out the description and get into the links below. Hook it up. All right. So for all you regulars, man, y'all know what time it is. Time to go ahead, get right into it. So everybody wants to know how much money you can make on YouTube. They're like, yo, I'm getting rich, dog. I'm getting paid. I'm making money, getting that guap, that guacamole. No, unfortunately, okay? If you're trying to get started on YouTube to get rich, no, you're not gonna get rich more often than not, because guess what? Like, most people probably don't think you're super interesting. I mean, most people don't think I'm super interesting, so I mean, yeah, it's whatever. Now, you probably seen a ton of videos with a lot of people talking about how they make, you know, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month on YouTube, okay? And that can happen, but it's gonna depend on the category, like whatever niche you're in. If you're monetizing these videos, or they monetize at the beginning, during the middle, and just all types of things go into this, okay? But we're going to go ahead and break down some of the numbers for my channel. You know, as a small YouTuber with, you know, 2,000 subscribers, which obviously is not a lot compared to somebody like Logan Paul or, you know, Jake Paul or PewDiePie or Mr. Beast, all right? So, as you guys can see, yeah, I made $106. $106. That ain't even coming close to covering how much money I spend on YouTube to create these types of videos and the new vlogs and all that stuff each and every month. So if you're getting involved to get rich on YouTube, because, yo, $106, bro, it takes about 60 to fill up the Trackhawk. So within a week and a half, that money is gone. Gone, right? But what is interesting is the fact that, yeah, my CPM is pretty high. It's roughly $27.62. Now, CPM is cost per milli, right? Or cost per thousand, Latin word. Now, that is how much the advertiser pays for 1,000 views. I have roughly 7.1K monetized views, all right? So that's 7,000 monetized views, which means if you take 7.1K, 7,100 divided by 1,000, and then times, you know, by 27.62, you get roughly $196 and something. Now, YouTube takes roughly 45% of the ad revenue, because hey, you on their platform, they got to get their cut, right? They trying to get paid too, baby. They trying to get that money. And boy, are they getting it hand over fist. Because, man, some y'all some coronavirus YouTube watching mother, I'm telling you, all right? So YouTube takes 45%, and then I am left with 55%, okay? So, which is roughly $106, $107 for the month. Now, not bad for, you know, just making videos, and guess what? It only goes up from there as your videos live in infamy and you continue to create content. Now, do I recommend it if you're trying to get rich overnight? I do not, okay? And not everyone's CPM is going to be the same. Depending on which niche you're in, your CPM could be higher or lower. Typically in the education niche, you know, like I am, the old educator that I am. I'm lying, I ain't no educator. I'm just trying to share some information with y'all, right? But typically in that niche, the CPM is a little bit higher, whereas something like, you know, beauty or just blog, what, you know, in general, people in blogs, I think is a little bit lower, okay? Not saying that it's super low, but more often than not, it's a tad bit lower, okay? And it just seems like people in the educational space are willing to spend way more money on ads than the average person. Is that bad? Is that good? It really just depends, okay? So I would not say dive into the education niche if it's not something that you want to do, okay? If you want to start a beauty channel, by all means, go right ahead. If you want to start a, you know, automotive channel, by all means, go ahead, because I'm gonna be doing some auto content on this channel, actually. You know, do whatever you want to do. But on the same token, do not think that you are going to get rich off of this. Now, you know, is it a ton of money? No. Is it money? Yes. You know, and it's money that I really didn't have to work too hard for other than creating content. I don't create content to get rich off YouTube. I create content to help you guys and to release some of my pent up energy, aggression, and stress, and all types of stuff, right? You know, I genuinely just have fun doing it because I think it's kind of dope, all right? Never thought I would, but yeah, it's whatever. So now, with that being said, okay, do not just dive into something for the money. You are going to have a very terrible time, okay? You will not have a lot of fun creating content if it's not something that you enjoy. You'd probably have a better time on Instagram just, you know, showing pictures of your bum and telling people in your stories to subscribe to your OnlyFans, because you'll probably make way more money doing an OnlyFans. I mean, you know, this is a face made for radio, so I am not gonna start an OnlyFans anytime soon. But that would probably be a better option than creating content for YouTube, where you can engage with your audience on a more personal, non-nudie level, you know? So it's really just about what you want to do. Okay, I enjoy creating content. My friends enjoy creating content, and you know, whether I got paid or not, don't really care. Is it nice? Sure, it's a little, you know, $100. I mean, like I said, put gas in a 𝗏𝗏𝗥 for a week and a half, and you know, ride around, or the GTR, whichever one. But yeah, so that's really how much money you know, I'm making. Like, you saw the numbers. Like, a lot of people are gonna lie to you about that. They're like, oh, look how much money YouTube paid me because they want to feel important. Yeah, like, that's not the way it rolls. Okay, like, my CPM is pretty decent, I'd say. Like, I've seen some people's, you know, cost per milli that's like $10, $11, but it, you know, again, it depends on their niche. So, you know, take that with a grain of salt. If I get more views, hey, I'm getting paid, yo. If I start getting like, I don't know, 100,000 views a month, yo, we might actually do something, man. We might actually be making some money at that point. But, you know, I'm not counting on it. You know, I can live without it. So hopefully that gives you guys a little insight into what it is, you know, being a YouTuber, a small YouTuber, making a little bit of money. I mean, you know, like I said, a couple tanks of gas, well, tank and a half, if that's how you want to look at it. Yeah, roughly. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please, yo, comment. Let me know if you guys are trying to create some content. Let me know what you guys are thinking down below in the comments, man. Comment and be like, yo, what's up? How you doing, baby? You know, let's engage a little bit. You know, check the links in the description, because I got a free Facebook group. I got all types of stuff for you guys, man. You guys don't even know about it, man. You guys be hitting me up on here. Hey, how can I get in contact with you? Check the description, homeboy or homegirl, or whatever, guys, because it's gender neutral these days, whatever. Yeah, so be safe, be smart. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.